you have so much information regarding your consumption, who becomes powerful? It naturally a consumer is becoming more powerful because he has all the information on an app, has an evidence to prove that there is some issue with electricity, there is some issue with voltage, or any complaint which any consumer wants to give, they will be able to register it easily on an app. Today, we have around 15-seater complaint center. Other than monsoon, people are not able to connect to us because the moment monsoon, the calls are flooded. There are so many calls are coming during the monsoon season, and our line remain busy. Now we cannot increase the seat, even if we increase from 15 to 20 or 30, 40. Then also the calls are many, because when the feeders trip due to disruption in the power supply because of the monsoon, because of the cyclonic events, so 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people are trying to call because entire feeder is off. Like one feeder means it will be 3,000 people. So we cannot increase so much seater. So this smart meter will automatically give us a lot of insights, lot of information that this area is in dark. Also, consumer can just open the app and write my power supply is filled so and so time, and that information we will be able to check because we will get it indication that exactly at so and so time, this is the duration, this consumer is not having a power supply.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.